Hi, I'm Felix, the CEO and co-founder of DentalXrai. We developed an AI software for analyzing dental X-ray images, so we are able to detect pathologies and restorations on all common dental X-ray modalities. We integrate with the dental practice and offer the dentist support in analyzing the X-ray image and finding the right treatment planning.
I'm Anita, I'm actually from Vancouver, Canada, and I'm now at DentalXrai as a business development manager. So currently many dentists are using our solution. It's making their lives easier every day, and which is great because they have much more time to spend on their patients, and we take off the things that they shouldn't be focusing on, and we just facilitate their whole daily life. So the Accelerator program is super interesting, especially because it's where AI meets healthcare. If you have a question, there's somebody everywhere in this house who knows. So it's a really interesting program to be part of.